What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on Patrick's Entertainment Purposes Only. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Today, we're going to just do a short video on Lily, Del Crypto, Brad, this whole thing that kind of unraveled the crap show this weekend with right after their launch and during their launch, obviously. Del Crypto came out yesterday and was really only one of the only ones to come out and speak to the community and answer tough questions, right? So he went on pretty much the Saitama Twitter space, and they grilled him for a while. And then he did another one later on with Saitama, that whole group. As far as whistleblower goes, that guy is one of the biggest whistleblowers I've ever seen in my life. I would never want to be in the trenches with him, because if he ever got captured by the enemy, as soon as that enemy walked into the room when he's sitting in the chair, he would spill the beans. That guy probably said a lot more than he should have. So I don't know what's going to happen with legally with any of that stuff, right? Like, he made his own bed yesterday, but honestly was one of the only ones to really come out and talk about what happened. He said he had really no say in their blockchain as far as their contract goes, and he said, I told them it wasn't ready, and I don't know why they still went ahead with it. I was very pissed off. I wasn't there. I was at reffing a boxing match, and I wasn't there. And when I finally found out that they actually launched, he was pissed off. And listen, the night before on the AMA, you were so bullish on everything going good. You guys, you're so excited. This is going to be the next level thing. So to go from that to, I told them the contract wasn't ready, there were so many red flags. Listen, man, I'm calling BS, because you were involved a lot more than you say you were. Now, it's usually the first one that comes out is the hero, the one that looks good, the one that can defer all this other crap onto everybody else, which is, I think, exactly what you did, which is very smart in your case, to kind of get the diversion off of you, and you can reflect it on everybody else, because Brad sure as hell didn't come forward at the same time as Del Crypto did. So that's why Del Crypto, I think, came forward, just to try and save his own butt, which good for him, I guess. But he's saying he didn't have a lot to do with the blockchain and that and whatever. But when you take a look at this is Del Crypto's this is Del Crypto's post. He was the chief of healthcare technology and blockchain. And this was the post that Lily put together. And in here, it says healthcare and blockchain expertise. And you're saying that the contract was messed up, the liquidity wasn't even locked, you guys had so many issues, and you're the blockchain expert, and you're saying you had no weight to throw around if this thing wasn't ready. I'm calling BS. I think there needs to be an investigation for sure, because there were millions of dollars lost. Now, I know this kind of makes me sick to my stomach, because I don't think it's a scam company. But listen, Brad, as a founding member, he's a piece of crap. I'll say that, and take that for what it is. But when he didn't even come out, and all the posts were from Lily were hodl this, hodl that, we're going to go to the moon, all this crap, when people were losing their freaking savings, like, you got to be way more professional than that. Honestly, Lily's on a freaking tear right now, and I mean, it's crazy to me to see this, right? But people are making money now. People lost millions yesterday, the day before, but people are making money now. So take that for what it's worth. I don't know, as far as a company, I don't know. I know Del Crypto stepped down yesterday, and dreams do come true, January 8th. So for pretty much a month and 2 days, dreams do come true, to actually resigning and stepping down from Lily, because he said due to negligence of how they were running things. So, I mean, take that for what it is. I'm not investing. Do your own research on this company. But that launch was pathetic. Not coming out and addressing the community first from Brad, the founder, is pathetic. No one from, I think there was another guy in there. I don't remember his name, but he was in the IT world or whatever. Del Crypto said he was on a leash when he was on there, throwing everyone under the bus. Del Crypto is just sitting there throwing people, like buses moving. Del Crypto's, throwing like a pitcher in baseball, just throwing people under that bus yesterday. Freaking scumbag. But it is what it is. Listen, do your own research on it. I'm staying away from this one for sure, but I just want to let you guys know there's some shady stuff going on in this business. I personally think I'm staying away from it. That's my personal opinion, but do your own research and I'll see you guys.